Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I finished it! Finally, after about a month and a half, 2 months, I've finally finished this Huacan 45 by 60 40 colour diamond painting, and this is the thumbnail of what it looks like. And I am pleasantly surprised and I'm happy actually with how this has actually turned out. I did run out of one colour. I ran out of some 939. I did need probably around 200 939s at the end, but I did have some spare, so that was all good. Luckily, because I had about 2.5 bagfuls of 939s in rounds, the rest was square, so fortunately I had some. But just look how amazing this is. I am so happy it's done, and I'm so happy that it's turned out good, because I was really worried with it being a Huacan and with issues that Huacan have had recently. Well, I'm saying recently, but you know, it's been at least 12 months since I purchased this painting, and this was around about the time when Huacan started having their problems. So I was a little bit concerned, but I'll just show you a bit closer. I mean, you can see the sparkle of the diamonds. I mean, they're very sparkly. And if you can hear that noise in the background, it's my dog eating the food. So there is a little bit of dog hair here on the ends, but I'm going to cover that up anyway, so that's no biggie. But it's very sparkly, and I'm really happy with it. So I'll just show you a little bit of a close-up with the drills. There are some holy drills that I've noticed. Get you in a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see. I mean, some of them, I think it may be more my placement than the actual drills themselves. But there is a lot of gapping in places, and you can sometimes see where the symbol is underneath. But I think that might be more to do with my placement than anything else. See there, it's more noticeable with the lighter coloured drills. But again, it's no big. There's a bit of a dog hair there. I'm sorry, I need to get rid of that. But I've literally just finished this painting this evening, so what you see now is as it's just been finished. So we got here, look, there looks like a bit of a gap around about here, where one of the drills needs pushing up a little bit, or one of them needs pushing down. There we go. I did see one just now with a hole in them. There are a couple like that, and there's another one there, look, more noticeable with the lighter coloured drills. There's another one there. But yeah, the only colour I ran out of was the 939s, so I am lucky that I did have some spare. Oh, and there's another one there that looks like it's needs moving a little bit. But obviously I will like change all of this. I will straighten the drills out once I get like tomorrow. I've literally, I mean, it's gone past midnight and I've decided to do this video now. So this is what it's looking like before I've had chance to get the rolling pin on it and get all the dog fur that's embedded itself into the painting. But yeah, there is a few drills there, look, that have got a few holes in them. But yeah, overall I am really impressed with it. There was a lot of confetti. In some places it wasn't so bad. There was a bit of colour blocking around like this area here. My favourite part was the sky. As you can see, that was a lot of colour blocking. It was quite nice to work on that section. And that is a lot of 310s and 939s in that mixture there. And then we had quite a bit of confetti around here in the flower area, But then the worst of the confetti was like around this area here where the tree is. That was the worst of the confetti. But I actually think it's turned out quite nice. I was a bit worried as well about the size of the painting, because some people had told me that they needed it to be bigger, because they've done like a similar picture, or this exact picture of this size, and it didn't look so good. But again, that could be down to the seller that you buy it from, and you know how much detail you're getting from the picture itself. But I think for the size, this has turned out really nicely. So I'm just going to get it all cleaned up tomorrow, and sort out the edges, and get some tape around it, get some duct tape, some decorative duct tape, and straighten it up. And I'm going to put it on my wall for display for a little while. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this really. I mean, I might just keep it on the wall until I finish my next painting, and then put it in the portfolio with all the others, because there isn't really anywhere that I want to put this picture. But I think it was the colours that drew me to the picture initially. But I'm glad it's done, and I'm glad it's turned out good. I mean, the drills, I mean, they are over here. We do have some drills left. We still have quite a large quantity of drills. So we have the 3847s. There was one colour that I was dangerously low, and I did think I was going to run out, but there's literally, what, probably 6-7 drills in there of the 819. But I scraped by the skin of my teeth. Like I say, I did run out of the 939s. I still had quite a quantity of the 310s. There is a few stowaways in these drills. I mean, you can see in the 310s here as I'm rolling it, there are some like stowaways in there of a different colour. But for the most part, I mean, I've been left with like around about this quantity in each of my containers. So all in all, it's not turned out too bad. So I'm quite pleased. And yeah, now we're on to the other one, which is, if you are interested, this is the one I'm going to be working on next. She is another Huacan, but she is a square. She has a lot of red. She's got 40 colours, and she's a 45 by 60 as well. So she's exactly the same size as the one that I've just completed, but obviously it's square and it's a Huacan. So yeah, the proof will be in the pudding, as they say. So that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. That way and if you click the notification bell, you'll get notified exactly when I upload my next video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's been a nice change to do a bit of diamond painting, adding a bit of that to my channel, as it's been mostly colour related just recently. So thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome night, and I shall see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.